Hello everybody, my name's Adam. I thought I would make, probably won't be so quick, but there's a lot of people asking about using the law of attraction for specific people, but more specifically, how to get your ex back. Now, I thought I'd make a video. It's pretty basic, but hopefully will answer some of your questions. I would imagine a lot of you watching this are fairly desperate for answers. The one positive that I can give you is I've been in your shoes before. I have experience of using the law of attraction in terms of getting an ex back. My own situation was I had the opportunity to get back together. I manifested the situation of me being able to get back together with my ex, but having gone through the whole process by that stage, I actually made the choice just to move on with someone else. So with that in mind, I'd like to continue because it is, in my opinion, you can use the law of attraction to get your ex back. So it is possible, in my opinion. Now, I'd imagine a lot of you will have seen people on forums absolutely shouting down the possibility of this happening and just telling you to suck it up and move on, basically. And there's an element of truth in that, and there's a lot of relationships, in fact, that just shouldn't be salvaged or saved or reignited, whatever you want to call it. A lot of the time it is just better to move on. But why I say yes and no to the law of attraction being able to be used to get your ex back, it's very complicated. Put it this way. The law of attraction works on feelings. It does. It's not actually what you desire to manifest. So in your case, it's not actually your ex that you're after deep down. It's the feeling that your ex provides you that you're actually searching for. In the most basic and raw terms, you're just looking to be happy again. There's a type of happiness, I suppose you could argue, that your ex provides you, but that's simply all it is. That's what we look for in anything in life. That's our motivation to doing anything, is happiness. We think things or people will bring us happiness, and they do. But ultimately, to be truly happy and for the law of attraction to work absolutely the most efficiently it can for you, is you need to be happy first. And even in just the basic elements of a healthy relationship, you need to be happy first. The more you rely on someone else for your happiness, the least chance you have of your relationship succeeding. It's not healthy. You will put too much pressure on your partner, and they will never do enough to make you happy. So when it comes to the law of attraction to get your ex back, why do I recommend it? Well, in the state you're in at the moment, you're most likely, nothing's really helping you to boost your vibration, to boost your feeling. So you're almost stuck in a trap of constant negative thinking, which is going to be sent out to the world. And in terms of the rules of the law of attraction, more and more negative circumstances and events are going to come into your life as a result of it. And you're not really giving yourself the best chance at moving forward with anything, whether it's with someone new or with getting back together with your ex. So if the idea of getting back with your ex makes you happy, if I was to say it was 100% guaranteed that the law of attraction can be used to get your ex back, and that makes you feel happy, then I say yes, run with it. I think it does work, and I'm trying not to go round in circles here, but if that's the happiest it can make you feel right now, then go with it. Use the law of attraction to get your ex back, because two things are going to happen, or potentially happen, I should say. You will either get your ex back, which is great, or, and I know this is hard for you to conceive in your mind right now with your overwhelming emotions that you're probably experiencing, you will end up better off in a better relationship with someone who's better suited for you. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. You will be happy. So I recommend, so that's where the no side of things come from. The truth in life of anything lies in the grey areas. So you've got to, nothing's black and white in life. So you've got to work with what resonates with you the best and move forward, and everything will unfold. So I recommend that for a lot of people, depending on the situation, if it makes you feel good, then yes, use the law of attraction to get your ex back. And what will most likely happen to you will be the following. Your vibration and your happiness will increase, even just slightly, just from that glimmer of hope. And this is enough to get things snowballing and compounding and moving forward. So in terms of the law of attraction, life will start popping people, events, resources, probably spelt that wrong as always, anything into your life that will help move you forward in getting your ex back or moving on towards dating someone else. So it may be an ebook comes into your life that teaches you about the no contact rule and how to get over these emotions that are controlling you right now, that cause you to text your ex and beg for forgiveness, or beg for them to text you back, or anything that's actually just pushing them further away. Teaches you how to deal with the situation and be happy again and move forward to get them back. At the same time, you're learning to get on with your life. The law's going to move you and encourage you to do things that increase your happiness, like new hobbies in your life, new people, friends, etc., or even a new job, things that will just come from this increased positive vibration and will improve your happiness levels, and it will get you to a point where you will either create your ex back into your life, or, as I said earlier, like myself, you realised you didn't need them, you were happy again being single, just like you were before you actually met your ex, so it is possible, and someone else new comes into your life that's even better, that's better suited to what you want out of a relationship and out of your life. So the law of attraction works, and it works to get your ex back, or it works to get you something else. Either way, move forward with what makes you feel the best, but keep an open mind. So it is your choice moving forward. And as I said, keep an open mind. I mean, this is all very basic, but it's just anything that's going to get you off the ground right now and get your feelings improving, your vibration improving, getting you happy again, getting you past these overwhelming emotions so you can think objectively. You can make decisions that are detached from these emotions and what is best for you, and you can have the law of attraction working forward. So it's your choice. You either go cold, you either move on from your ex, or if you can't do that, if everything's so overwhelming and it makes you feel better to take that next step and use the law of attraction to try and get your ex back, then do that. It's all about increasing that vibration. And once you feel a bit happier and things have settled down a bit, the law of attraction's had a chance to do things in your reality, bring things into your reality to help you, whatever that may be, whether it's for your ex or for moving on. Just run with it and forget about the outcome, focus on the feeling, and at the end of the day, you will move on. And whatever manifests will manifest. As long as you're happy, that's all that matters. So I'm sure that was very, very confusing. There was no, as I said, it was all in the grey area. But run with what feels best for you. That's all I can say, really. Don't listen to, you don't even have to listen to me, but don't listen to people who are very negative about this idea, or negative about the law of attraction even. Do what works good and feels good for you and what resonates for you on the inside. So, as I said, this is quite complicated. This video probably hasn't given you an overly clear answer. I know you want a black and white answer, but unfortunately life's not like that. For more information, click the link to my website below this video, and I hope everything works out for you. And as always, as I've said, and I can't stress enough, focus on feeling good. Thank you.